everybody, Kawaii Panda here, and Panda for short. If you're new to my channel, hi, how you doing? Hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell. Yeah, hit it twice so you know that you get all my updates, because you never know. And if you are new here, you definitely want to see my face, because usually I don't do my videos like this, but you know, just doing it for now. But I will be back to my normal video face and table bottom. This is like my 6th video, so like I'm drained. So let's just get right into it and let's jump in. We're gonna be reviewing rodem slimes, DIY slimes. I have a sweet spot for rodem slimes. It's not my first time reviewing their slimes. I love their slimes. This is more for my pleasure and not for reviewing. This is because I just love their slimes. And if you don't love their slimes, if you never tried them, what are you doing with your life? Because their slimes are amazing and they're worth every friggin' penny that they charge you, because they're amazing. Alright, so let's unbox this baby and let's get in and let's do this. I will be taking a picture of this one. Okay, so this slime in all costs $22.68. They are more expensive slimes, but they do, this is a 10 ounce, 10 plus 1 fluid ounce, strawberry chew cream. It has croissant. She does a lot of like foods, and like she does all her textures are different, and she does DIYs. So it's a strawberry cream croissant slime. I'm telling you, yes, it sounds super expensive, but it's amazing. Her slime was $16. Then the shipping's $43, which if you felt this box, you know why. It's really heavy, which comes to $20.83, and then with taxes, then it goes to $22.68. Her slimes is definitely one of those slimes where you can just buy from her, or you can buy from a whole bunch of people, but they're well worth it. She does so much good work. I was actually trying to hold out. Actually, I was trying to save money for her Snicker bar slime, but something went through my bank and took my money. So yeah, I won't be getting that Snicker bar slime, which makes me sad. Makes me kind of angry. Not sad, angry. She'll know that I'm sending people to her, which will be awesome. This is the strawberry cream croissant. This is the stuff that goes on top of the croissant. Look at how cute that is. Look how cute. I'm trying to get the lighting just right, and I can't. So it's a clear slime with strawberry pieces in it. And this is the slime that she gave me. It's Morning Sunshine. I was hoping she would give me Chewy, because Chewy is a new texture, and I don't know what this one is. And then here is the slime that I purchased. This goes with the croissants. See the croissant? It's so cute how she does things. And then we got some hard strawberries right here. And you just take that off. This is, her slimes are picture moments. Alright, so here is the strawberry croissant cream. This is the cream. Now, let me tell you, she literally, like, none of her slimes have the same texture. Her slimes are amazing. Yeah, like your borax, where she put borax on there, and her business card, which you know, she tells you how to take care of your slime, and her name, which is rodem.slimes, and I will give you all her, I'll give you her Instagram and everything down below, and she gives you like 2 pieces of candy, and that's what's in there. So then, actually, I want to look at the picture so bad. I want to look at the video to know how to do this. But I'm going to just take a picture of... Look at this. It looks like a piece of friggin' bread, guys. It looks like a croissant so much. I would eat it if it was not clay. Oh my god, it's amazing. She does amazing work. She's just, ugh, she's too much. Too much. Alright, so you got your strawberry cream right here. And then you got your strawberry cream croissant. So you got your croissant stuff right here. Okay. So we're going to put the strawberry cream on top of the croissant, because that's what I would do if I was eating it, right? Alright, guys. Girls and guys. Alright, so this is the moment of truth. We're going to put the strawberries, this little cream stuff on. It's so weird. There's like 1 star in there. I don't think that's supposed to be in there, but okay. Let me mix up the strawberries a little bit. And let's put it on top. La 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 la. La 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 la. Alright, so we got our strawberries on it. I get so excited when I play with her slimes. Like, I can be in the worst mood, and then all of a sudden, boom, rodem.slimes to the rescue. She makes me so happy. Her slimes are amazing. So, here's little strawberries. And, you know, here's your little croissant, your strawberry sauce on it. Let's open up this. Let's touch it. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a strawberry milkshake, guys. Sorry, you can't even see what I'm doing. It smells like a strawberry milkshake. Her textures are so thick too. Look how thick that is. Like, so thick. So all right, now it's time to play. Look at that. Look at that. The only thing about rodem.slimes is her scents are amazing. And she doesn't do the same texture every time. Like, her slimes are all different textures. This is so thick, guys. So thick. Like, seriously. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh. Alright guys, I'm going to kind of speed through this review because I've been in this room for way too long. I'm going crazy. Alright, I'm just, you don't see it, but I'm just fluffing it up. Like, look at this. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Let's see. This is not gonna fit in here at all. Like, what am I supposed to do? Well, as you see, guys, I literally have 2 8-ounces now. Like, I have 2 8-ounces. This would definitely fit in there. I cannot fit that in here at all. So just be aware, if you're going to buy her slimes, definitely have containers ready. Because even though she does have the lift, you know, thank you, baby. Are you mad at me? Even though she does have the dome top, like, see, it's like, you still, I gotta take more out. It only does so much, you know. It can only help you so much. And you don't want it to, I've literally forced it to fit before, and it ends up coming out, like busting out of the container somehow. I literally have an 8-ounce of slime right here. Like, if you felt how thick this was, oh my Jesus. It is so, so thick. Eight ounces. Always have a container prepared when you're gonna buy her slimes. She actually sells these for $2, so I would definitely buy some. I just popped like all the air out, and it's still 8 ounces. I got 2 8-ounces of slime. It's so insane, right? Every time. It's amazing. Guys, this was basically just for fun. I already know rodem slimes. Slimes are amazing. This was not a review. This was just to show you guys how amazing her slimes are. Again, just to remind you, if you shop there, please mention my name. It helps me out a lot. You know, build my friendship with her. I have this free slime that I gotta review. Well, not review, but try out. Oh, this is a savory scent. Oh, it's making me hungry. I don't know what this is, like her mochi texture. she knew I wanted to try this texture too. It smells so good, guys. Oh my god. I wonder if she put Chewy Chew in here. This definitely sticks to you. I never tried any of her, like, other textures besides her, DIYs. This smells so amazing. It kind of feels like it needs to be activated a little bit because it is a clear slime. It smells like sesame. I'm wondering if she gave me Chewy Chewy. She knows I wanted to try it so bad, but I don't know. It says morning. It says morning sunshine, but I don't know. That doesn't sound like a slime. This is awesome. I think this is her chewy texture, and it smells like sesame. It smells so good, guys. Oh, her savory scent smells amazing. Like, do not get scared because it's a savory scent. Like, it's amazing. Amazing scents. She does amazing work with every slime that she creates. I'm jealous, like so jealous of her creativity, and like she's just amazing. Like, I look up to her because she does some amazing work, and I one day want to be where she's at right now. Like, it got big. Oh my goodness, how does this happen? I didn't know icy slime. Like, is this icy slime? Like, what is this? I think it's like a watered, I don't know. She's amazing. I don't know how she does this, but all her slimes inflate like crazy. It's insane in a membrane. So yeah, this was not a review. Like I said, I already know she's amazing. This was just to show you how amazing she is again. And like, yeah, her prices are high, but it's well worth it. She puts so much work into her slimes. Like, they're like no other. She has so many different like pieces to her slimes, and they're just beautiful. And she sells out really fast of like her good, like her new stuff. So you want, and sometimes they will not come back. So you want to catch them really fast. So you want to follow her on her Instagram and pay attention when she has a new slime coming out, because that new slime will be gone. Like, I was waiting for her Snickers, and I'm sadly not going to be able to get it because I just don't have the funds in it now. You gain my trust, you would get, obviously, we're talking about like doing 50-50 or something like that. It depends, because if I'm buying all the supplies, I'm gonna get more, obviously, because I'm putting that on supplies. You're just giving me ideas. So that's all like in the future. So definitely, if you're interested in, having a chance to work with me, then definitely DM me or email me. If you don't have Instagram, if you do have Instagram, I would recommend Instagram. It would be a lot easier. Also, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And if you made it to this time, I want you to say morning sunshine in the comment section. Remember, every time I say something like this, it's not going to be every video, but every time I say something at the end of the video to put in the comment section and you do it, when I do a giveaway, I'm going to count how many times people have done it. And the ones that have done it the most, every time you do it, it's like a point, an extra point to win a giveaway over people that aren't doing it. And also, communicate in the comment section. I love talking to you guys. So, like, ask questions, talk to me, anything you want. Make comments, but be positive, be nice. I don't like negativity, mean stuff will be blocked. Alright, guys. I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.